We are sitting here, and there you can see there is raw female.
Our first two safaris at Bandhavgarh has been dry, but our third safari changed everything with an unbelievable head-on encounter with the mighty male tiger D1. And just as we thought it couldn't get any crazier, our fourth safari at Khitoli Zone turned into absolute Bandhavgarh magic because this time it rained tigers.
Welcome to our channel Explore Life with Sutapa. We are now again going to the Khitoli zone for the day 2 second safari, and the first safari has been marvelous. If you have not seen the video, please go and check on the YouTube channel Explore Life with Sutapa. I have already posted the video, and now let's see in the second safari what we get. Stay with us. Bridge, which is very famous for the tiger movements. They roam in this area near the bridge. We are going to cross it.
We reached the Khitoli gate, and there was only one question in everyone's mind. Could Bandhavgarh surprise us again? As we entered the afternoon safari at Khitoli zone, the jungle was silent. The temperature was quite high. The golden light, the shadows and silence inside the forest made every moment feel very intense. After roaming here and there, our guide took us to the Damdama Nala and suddenly slowed down, and there she was, the legendary Tigress Tara resting calmly in the Nala. Seeing the Queen Tara in her world was absolutely magical. Her powerful presence, those sharp eyes, and the way she blended perfectly with the forest made the entire safari experience unforgettable. We stayed there quietly, watching every moment. Sometimes she looked towards the jungle, sometimes towards us, completely relaxed yet always alert. Moments like this remind us why the jungle is so special. There is a very fascinating story about this tigress Tara. Tara and the charismatic tiger Chota Bheem used to be seen in this area. Last year, the tiger Chota Bheem died because of a clutch wire stuck in his throat. A tiger named Pujari, who is known for his priest-like manner, and other tigers tried to gain access to Chota Bheem's territory, and in this process, they killed Tara's 3 cubs. This year, the tiger D1, who is in his prime, started pushing the tiger Pujari, and the final territorial fight between D1 and Pujari led to Pujari's death. Tigress Tara was in a very stressful situation because of this conflict, and this year she has been seen with her 2 cubs. What happened to the cubs after the clash of D1 and Pujari is still not known. After a while, the tigress Tara got up and went into the jungle. We left this nala and went ahead. On our way, Bhartiji spotted a very good catch on the branches of a tree. A dusky eagle owl. It was taking its afternoon nap. We decided not to disturb it, and here is one shot. Our adventure in this safari was far from over. As we continued to check on the area of the female tigress, raw female, we saw a few safari jeeps. Looking at the jeeps, we thought raw female is in the area inside the forest. As the jeep halted, we noticed a huge tigress right at the side of the road, so up close. Ra female is known for her mock charges because she does not like too much proximity with the safari vehicles. And now we were scared because she was so up close, but at the same time we maintained complete silence. And to our surprise, she looked silently at us as if understanding our situation. And she got up and went into the jungle after a sambar deer. She was focused, low to the ground, slowly prowling and stalking a herd of sambar deer. Every step was careful and calculated. The forest became completely silent except for the warning calls of the deer. Watching a tiger in hunting mode from such a close range was so thrilling and it was beyond words.
We are sitting here, and there you can see there is Ra female sitting there. She went from here to that side. It was so tensed, I was not able to record anything at that time. But when she went there, she is sitting there, and we are waiting for her. Let's see what she does after this.
The tension kept building as Ra female moved closer and closer, using the bushes as cover. Now, after a point, the sambar deers could see her and they ran for their life. Although it was a failed hunt, the experience of seeing this raw behavior in the wild was absolutely incredible. After the failed hunt, Ra female tigress rested in the bushes, and now our time for the safari was getting over. On our way back, we spotted a gentle giant, an endangered Indian gaur. We also spotted a near threatened lesser adjutant stork in the evening light on the branch of a tree. It was looking so beautiful. From the calm sightings of Tara at the Nala to the up close encounter with Ra female and then the instant stalking sequence later in the safari, this afternoon drive at Khitoli turned into one of the most unforgettable safari of our journey. From struggling for even a single tiger sighting to witnessing multiple tigers in consecutive safaris, this truly felt unreal. Bandhavgarh taught us patience, and when nature finally rewards you, the experience becomes unforgettable. This was just not another safari, this was magic. If you have enjoyed this incredible tiger safari journey, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more wildlife adventures. And we would also like to know in the comment section what was your experience and most unforgettable wildlife sighting. So, till the next video, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.